In this video, we are going to talk about influencer marketing. So what exactly is this influencer marketing, how you as a business owner can use this to promote your brand, and how as an individual you can earn money from it. We are going to cover all that in this video, so let's dive in. So when we talk about marketing on social media, the normal way is by running ads. Now apart from that, there are companies who hire celebrities to promote their products. But now we have a new form of marketing where people like you will be able to promote brand products if they have a decent amount of following. So no matter what platform you are creating content on, if you have decent number of followers on that platform, maybe on YouTube, maybe on Instagram or Facebook, if you have decent amount of followers and engagement, then you can easily get the brand deals and get paid for that. Now, if we talk from a perspective of a company or a brand who wish to sell their products online, influencer marketing is one of the most cost-effective way to promote and sell products online. All you have to do is find the influencers or people who have a decent amount of following on various social media platform and they are also in your category, and then you can collaborate with them maybe on various terms. If the account is small with some high engagement, then they will be ready to promote your brand on just for a free sample. Now if the influencer got some decent amount of following, they are going to charge brand some amount of money as well, but that is way cheaper than as compared to doing any kind of paid ads. The reason is because that influencer is purely in your category, so the followers of that influencer will definitely be interested in buying your product or at least knowing more about your brand. So by influencer marketing, even a small business owner can promote their products online with a very minimal budget. Now if we talk from the perspective of an individual who wish to have these kind of brand deals, now this is one of the best way to monetize your content online. So if you are creating content on YouTube or Instagram or any other social media platform, and if you are able to attract a decent amount of followers, then you can easily collaborate with brands to promote their products, and you may also get some monetary benefits from that. But the question is, why would brands prefer influencer marketing these days? And the reason is very simple. Hiring a celebrity to promote a product is way expensive, and at the same cost, these companies will be able to hire at least 100 influencers to promote their products online. And the benefit is that the followers of these people or these influencers are really very targeted followers. They know what these influencers are posting. If this suits to the brand category, then this is one of the best and very targeted marketing at a very nominal budget. Now if you are a brand and you want to hire some influencers to promote your products online, then you can easily go ahead and search for them on platforms like Instagram and search for the hashtags in your category. Or there is a simpler way. There are various websites which are now available. You can go ahead and create an account on them, and there you will find a database of influencers that you can directly connect to and then collaborate to get your brands promoted. Apart from that, there are now full-fledged agencies running which only concentrate on influencer marketing. So they can act as a bridge between brands as well as the influencers. So this is a quick overview of what exactly influencer marketing is and how you as a brand and individual can get benefit out of it. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.